As a local business owner, you depend on one thing more than any other in growing your business: getting new qualified prospects for your business. But the problem is that you don't have a guaranteed way to get your message in front of people who want and need your services. So you try different methods to reach them, like getting on the first page of Google, or direct mail, or email, or maybe even the shopper's guide. But the thing is, they all take a lot of planning, and you have very little control over reaching your best prospects. Well, in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how you can get your message in front of your perfect target customer. That's right. Imagine having a surveillance system so advanced that it identifies your perfect prospects and advertises your business to them, even if they've never heard of you before or seen you before. We're talking about using direct response lead generating advertising. Well, why does this work so well, and why should you even care about it? Well, it's because of the phenomenon of the revolution of the smartphone and the fact that everybody has one and they're carrying it with them everywhere they go. As a matter of fact, 91% of smartphone users have their phone within reach 24 hours a day, and we're addicted to checking them. 58% of smartphone users don't go 1 hour without checking their phones. As a matter of fact, 93% of smartphone owners use them while they're shopping. Now, what we're talking about utilizing is Facebook, and that's because the most important social platform for any marketer is Facebook by an overwhelming 62%. See, where would you rather fish? Where everyone else is crowding in there trying to get the same prospects, or a place where you're the only one fishing, you have the exact equipment you need to catch exactly the type of fish that you're looking for? And that's what we're talking about when we look at using Facebook advertising. You see, Facebook marketing is for all the right people. There are more than 1.9 billion people that use Facebook to connect to what matters to them, and more than 1.2 billion visit it every day. You choose the type of people that you want to reach. This makes your ads more relevant for people who see them and brings you real results, not just shoppers. You see, most people look at getting customers from strategies that focus on getting in front of people who are already aware that they need help, like SEO and Google pay-per-click, etc. But most of the business opportunity is capturing people before they have committed to a service provider. Well, how do you do that? Glad you asked. See, the way Facebook marketing works is the way that people see ads as they show up alongside stories seamlessly on both their desktop and mobile devices so that it is in the flow of information. And in doing that, when it becomes really relevant, when ads are shown to the right people based on their age, their gender, their location, interest, and so much more. Plus, and this is very powerful, when an ad is relevant to the user, it ceases to be an ad to them. It becomes needed and wanted information. Imagine that the next time you're putting an ad together. And why it's really relevant is you can do this based on location, demographics, interest, behaviors, and even their connections on the platform. See, would getting in front of people like this help? Imagine being a mortgage broker, being able to have people that provide you information from people who are currently renting their home. They're likely to move. They're married. They're a first-time home buyer. They're interested in Zillow and Trulia, Homes.com. They're between the ages of 25 and 65 within a 50-mile radius of your office. Do you think that might be powerful? That's just one small example. So what type of businesses will this work for? Well, it doesn't matter if you're in the home services business, auto repair, chiropractic, dental, pet care, day spas, or even fence builders. Basically, this type of advertising and marketing can work for just about any business you can think of. So let me ask you a question. If you could target anybody you wanted to as the perfect lead for your business, who would you target? Well, let's take a look at it this way. Let's say that you are in a small community outside of Columbia, South Carolina, and you want to draw a circle about a 5-mile radius around your business. You can target people based on their gender, their age, their marital status, their parental status, whether or not they're a homeowner, what kind of car they drive, their household income, or even their net worth. Now imagine being able to do that. Let's say that you're a mortgage broker and you're able to identify the people that we were talking about earlier that are renters that are looking for a new home and that have interest with Zillow and those types of things, and you're able to target them. Or how about even direct selling with someone that's looking to target stay-at-home moms that are looking for flexible work and looking for extra income? That can extend out as far as you want it to. Or how about even pet grooming? You can identify people based on if they're a dog owner or not. So with all of these things in place and being able to bring you very specific, highly qualified, targeted leads, and be able to show them to all their devices, their smartphones or laptops or desktops and even work computers, when would be the best time for you to start bringing in a flood of leads for your business?